Children, I have a very nice activity today. You all will enjoy making this craft activity. Why? Because in this activity we are going to make a caterpillar who is running up and down. And you love to do this, right? So are you all ready? Let us start. And for this craft activity, first of all, we'll need green color paper. I have taken simple color paper. You can take card paper also, right? We'll need a glue bottle. Then we'll need this type of wire. Then we'll need one pom-pom and few bindis. Along with that, we'll need few marker pens. You can take sketch pens also. So first of all, we'll fold this paper in half because we don't need the full paper. I'll fold this in half and cut it from the center. Children, do not use scissor by yourself. Take help from your elders. I always tell you that follow the instructions properly, right? So this way I have cut this paper. Now I'm going to draw one leaf. So here I am drawing one leaf. Right? So this is a leaf, right? Now I am going to cut this. Take help from your elders. Do not use scissor because if you use scissor by yourself, you may get hurt on your fingers, right? So tell your mom, dad or your elders to help you in cutting the leaf, right? So now as you can see, our leaf is ready, right? Now what we need one stripe. So this side I am going to cut and I will make one stripe so that I can get a proper okay. Now I have this type of stripe. I need to fold it. So for that I'm going to use this type of stick and then I will roll it. Okay. So as you can see, I have rolled it and now from here I will apply glue and stick this. I don't need this much big stripe, so I'm removing extra. Open the bottle, apply glue and then fix it. So here basically we need one straw kind of thing. Hold it for some time and it will get dry, right? So that you can pass this stick through it, right? This way. Okay. So now what we'll need, now we'll need this type of wire, right? It is easily available in any stationery shop, right? In gift shop also we find this type of thing. Now here I am going to attach it. Now I am going to take one thread. You can take any type of thread or gun glue also works here for this sticking part. I am going to tie this, right? So here I'm going to bend it a little and I will tie here. So here, as you can see, I'm using thread. You can use thread or you can stick it also. With this green color straw, I have tied it. Okay, now I'm going to make knot so that it will be fixed here. Make it tight and then you can cut the extra ones. So extra thread I am going to cut. Right, and now here also I am going to tie thread. You can stick it with glue, but it takes so much time, right? So again I am making a knot and I am tying it, right? Tie it properly and cut the extra thread. Now it will look like this. Now here, this is the front part of caterpillar and this is the back. So now what we are going to do, on the front part we are going to stick this pom-pom. For that I am going to use glue. And we'll stick this here. Hold it for some time and let it get dry. Right? Then we'll bring these and make eyes of caterpillar. Right? So here we got the eyes. It is still wet. So we'll hold it for some more time. Right? Now on this leaf we will stick this straw this way. Okay? So here what you need to do, you need to apply some glue and paste it here. Right? Hold it for some time so that it will get dry. Now after some time you can see when everything is dry, we'll use this caterpillar. Now you can see when you slide it back, the caterpillar will come back, and when you slide it out, it will go out. So this is your caterpillar toy. Did you see? And how was the activity? Did you enjoy making it? I want you all to do it and make your toy. It's a caterpillar toy, right? So take care. Bye bye for now. I'll come back with another very beautiful video, right?